Hey, it's Anne Luke, and I am in Nice, France for my sketchbook journaling trip with the Blue Walk, and I didn't have a chance to share the supplies I was bringing before I left, so I thought I would share them with you now. I'm going to start with sketchbooks. I have two Canson mixed media sketchbooks, 138-pound paper. I have a, this is another multimedia sketchbook. The paper is a little thinner, and always remember, especially if you're going to be using alcohol markers or any kind of heavier ink, alcohol ink, that you cut a blotter page to put in. You can always use another page in your sketchbook, but I find it's nice to just pre-cut before you travel. And then I have a really fun accordion zigzag book from, oh my gosh, I can't remember who makes that, but it's on my, it's in my list of my supplies on my website. I have just a little Rhodia dot book here, just for, it's very thin and easy to throw in the bag if you're just going, you know, even if you're just going to go to dinner and want to have something with. And then also this just for taking notes and or drawing blind contour on the plane. And then this is just I cut this out of, it was a piece of mat board, and I just use it to frame things if I'm trying to capture a vignette while I'm drawing. You can also do this with your phone, but this is kind of fun to use on the fly. And then, oh, this is the daily lesson book that I made for my students for the week, and hopefully it will be helpful to everybody. And then for pens, I've got some King Art ink liners here. I have some Winsor Newton fine liners. A new favorite thing is this Pilot pen, the blue Pilot pen that I use with a watercolor brush. My favorites, the Uniball Vision pens, and never know when you're going to need a Sharpie, so I have a red and a black Sharpie. I brought my Kawiko fountain pen just for fun, for taking notes. It's not great for my sketchbook because it's not waterproof, and I always use alcohol markers, that's why I need waterproof ink. And I rarely use pencil, but I brought these two. This was a gift. This is the high end, and then obviously the very low end Papermate mechanical pencil. And then for any white, which I love to add white for detail, I have this Posca marker, and then I have a white Uniball gel. And I have a variety of markers. Most of them are Cali Art, but I have Faber-Castell, and I have Winsor Newton as well, I believe. And then I brought washi tape, and I brought glue, and I brought a glue stick, and then some mounting squares for any kind of collage work we might do, clips to hold down paper. Here's a few stickers for collage work, an envelope to store things in to use in collage. And I believe that is everything. So I hope you follow along, and I'll be sharing images and fun from this trip. We're here for a week, and I'm super excited. The program starts tomorrow. Let me know what you use for supplies and anything that you think I should add to my list. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.